welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm excited about this video. This is my first ever Motivation Monday video. So I love a motivation video, cleaning, organising, that kind of thing, and I thought I'm going to try and make it more regular and try and make sure I do a video like that every Monday, and we'll call it Motivation Monday because why not? So here you go, this is my first Motivation Monday. So the theme for today's video is a deep clean and a sort of anti-back clean. Basically, our entire household came down with a virus last week, stomach virus. Everyone in the house has been really poorly. Yes, Leo?
And when you finish doing your work, can we play this game?
Of course we can, come here. Alright, let me just finish talking. Yeah, we were all so poorly last week, so I really want to give certain areas of the house a real deep clean, you know, really like antibacterial scrub, just to make sure that we're all good and safe. Obviously I've not been cleaning for like 4 or 5 days now, where I've been either looking after the kids or bedridden myself, so I'm eager to clean the house a little bit. But we are a full house today, we're all home, so it's going to be very much stop start, because that's just family life, isn't it? There you go, that is what today's going to be. It's going to be a deep clean with me, so I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So I'm going to begin by making the beds. This doesn't really have anything to do with de-germing the house, it's just how I always start when I clean the home. Obviously Leo's here, as I said, we have a full house today, so the kids will be around at various points during my cleaning today. So I'm just going to make the bed, make it all nice and tidy, get rid of any mess on the bedside tables, and then I will spray down the beds with my fabric spray as well, which I will just show you here, which I'm keeping in my new linen cupboard, which you may have seen in my recent linen cupboard makeover video. So here's my Fabulosa fabric spray, and I'm just going to spritz that onto the bed. So I'm attempting to make Leo's bed as well, but I've got both the kids with me at this point, and I have to help Leo put on his socks, but you know, that is life. Leo wanted to help do the fabric spray on his bed, as he said it smelled really nice, so he's going to do that. I'll also just tidy up Cooper's bed. There's a couple of blankets and things that I need to just tidy up and put away, tidy up his toys on the floor, that sort of thing. Okay, into the proper cleaning now, and I'm going to start in the boys' bathroom. I feel like this is a really high traffic area for the kids. The kids were in here when they were ill, and I need to clean it. So this is my Purdy and Fig counter cleaner, which I'm using with one of my cleaning cloths, and I'm going to start by just cleaning all of the surfaces. I don't feel like anywhere is safe in this bathroom, because obviously the bathroom is where you go when you are feeling poorly. So this is somewhere that I really need to tackle all areas. So I'm just going to start with the sink, spray down the surface, and also these cleaning cloths, you've seen me use these before. These are so good for polishing the chrome as well. Obviously this doesn't make a difference to killing the germs, but it looks great. I'm just going to make sure that I wipe down anything that the kids may have touched when they were poorly, or myself as well. Even though this is the boys' bathroom, obviously I touched lots of things in here as well, and I was also very poorly, so I'm just going to make sure I'm wiping down everything. onto the toilet now, and I'm using the Lidl Own cleaning wipes here, the W5, which is Lidl's own cleaning brand. And actually, these are really, really good considering they are really, really bargain price. I can't remember how much they were, but super cheap. So I'm going to use these to wipe down all the areas around the toilet and then obviously the toilet itself. I'm putting some blue toilet bleach down the toilet as well. Though don't do it like me and spray it all up the rim, which you then have to wipe off. You know, be careful that you are pointing down when you use the toilet bleach. And I'm going to go onto the bath as well, because while the kids were ill, they had a lot of baths in this bath. So I want to make sure that this is nice and germ-free. I'm just going to remove all of the toys, get those out of the way, and I'm going to make a nice hot soapy solution. So I'm putting in some hot water and a bit of Fabulosa disinfectant, which smells wonderful. And then I'm going to use a fresh cleaning cloth to just use this solution to wipe down all of the bath. I also want to make sure that I've got all the areas around the toilet, so that includes the floor. Obviously when you're poorly you can't trust that everything stays in the toilet, if you know what I mean, without going into too much detail. So I'm going to clean all the areas around the toilet as well and make sure they are all nice and germ-free. I'm going to collect all of these soft towels and everything from the bathroom as well, and they are all going to go in the wash, and I'll make sure they are fresh towels. And I'll also just top up the bathroom, make sure that there's lots of toilet rolls, and do my little finishing touches. I bought this after we started getting ill last week. This is the Microban disinfectant spray, and it smells so good, but more importantly, it obviously kills any germs that it touches. So I'm just going to go over all the surfaces that I've cleaned with this, just to make sure that I haven't missed anything. I also want to do a thorough clean in the downstairs toilet, because this was obviously used a lot when people were poorly in the house as well. So just really similar to what I did upstairs, I'm just going to really go over every single surface, make sure that I've got every area of the toilet that may have been hit with any sort of sickness or germs, and just make sure that it's all nice and fresh and safe for us and the kids to use. Again, I'm going to take the towel out of here and put it into the wash. Another area I really want to tackle today is Cooper's high chair, for obvious reasons. I mean, it does just really need a good clean, but for a baby that's been poorly, a high chair is a really important place to make sure it is nice and clean and germ free. I'm using the Flash Spray Wipe Done in the Mandarin scent because this is apparently very good at killing bacteria. It says so on the label anyway. And I'm using a clean cloth to wipe it down, get off all of the food and all of the stuck on bits. And just to be extra safe, I'm going to go over all the surfaces with the anti-bac wipes as well. And I'm finishing off by spraying with the Microban disinfectant spray. I'm just going to stop for a minute to turn on the dishwasher because there are still everyday cleaning things that need to be done around the home during my cleaning session this morning. Okay, I'm in the utility room now and I've got the Flash Spray Wipe Done spray again, and I'm going to wipe down all the surfaces in here. This is where I prepare Cooper's bottles, so I just wanted to make sure that all the surfaces were nice and clean and germ-free in here, as obviously this is an important area to make sure it's clean so that Cooper's bottles are all safe. Another high traffic area I wanted to work on was the dining tables. Obviously we eat here every day, so I want to make sure that this has all been sprayed thoroughly. So I'm using a fresh cloth and the Flash spray again. I want to disinfect Cooper's toys, so I've got the Zuno Microbe Shield all-purpose spray. This is super safe to use on kids' toys and any surfaces that kids might be around. So I'm just spraying it over his toys, and as it says on the bottle, it will kill germs for up to 30 days. So that gives me real peace of mind to know that Cooper can play with his toys. Well, there you go, guys. I am finished and collapsed on the sofa, as you can see. It's absolutely pouring outside. Does anyone else just love being inside when it's raining? I love the sound of the rain outside. Maybe I'm weird, I don't know. But anyway, that was my Motivation Monday for you. De-germ the house with me. Obviously I didn't de-germ like the whole house, I just really focused on the like high traffic area for the kids. Just making sure that they are as safe as possible and that we do not catch this nasty germ again. Thank you so much for watching my latest video and my first Motivation Monday, first of many I hope. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Getting closer and closer and closer to 20,000 subscribers, so come and join, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.